Hello everyone, welcome to the second part with developing Vercel AI Sdk. So let's build something. So let me open up my editor. This is my try editor, you already knew that. So this is the graph, I don't need that. This is the terminal. So let me see where we finished on yesterday. So if I open the web view, so this is the UI. So let me provide, okay, write a poem to check everything is working till now. Okay, everything seems working. So today we will work with the reasoning model like DeekSeek R1. So let's start. So let me go to the Vercel doc, Vercel AI Sdk. Just go on the first link and you will have the providers. If I go to provider, so I can search here the DeekSeek model. Okay, that's great. Okay, there's the DeekSeek. So let me create another endpoint. reasoning / route.ts. Okay, reasoning model. So let me write export async function. I write the basic. Yeah, my AI is so powerful and it is suggesting me all those things. Stream text, okay, but I will use the DeekSeek model here. So let me copy up the installation command and install it first. So my server is running, turning off my server, and this command is okay. And while I need a environment variable key, so you will find this environment variable key here, DeekSeek API key, and you also, and yes, I just set it up my DeekSeek API key here in my env.local file. So let me work on other things. So what is the command? Let me restart my TypeScript server so that the auto import feature can work. DeekSeek, if I start writing deep wp and DeekSeek, and this is the DeekSeek model, and I will reference the DeekSeek R1 model. DeekSeek REASON. I need to make sure the model string name is DeekSeek API models. So models and pricing, this is the keyword DeekSeek Reasoner model. So there is another whole doc with this DeekSeek R1. So let me check this out. Okay, generate text DeekSeek Reasoner prompt. Okay, we are going so well. I don't yes, if I use the grok model, then I have to use the extract reasoning middleware with a special tag thing. So I will cover up that later. So let's stick to the today's topic. So DeekSeek Reasoner, I just need to pass here a stream, to the stream response. On the second parameter, I have to add send reasoning. Okay, send reasoning. I have to pass it as true. So I will now receive the reasoning text here in the front end. So let me show up the reasoning type things. If I add a border here and a top and bottom margin, MOI 3, okay, and a simple background, BG still, okay, nope. I need to get a background conditionally. Okay, sorry. If the m.role is user, then I will add a background, BG a gray type background, and it will be null. It will be an empty string. So I think it is good enough to go. So let me now check out this. I think I have to add a loading effect here. So I will get a is loading parameter. Okay, is loading, let me make it disabled, is loading, and I will change the text if is loading, and it is waiting for the answer. Okay, I think I'm good enough. So let me open the web view again. Oh, sorry, let me open the server first. Okay, open the web view. So here I am. So if I tell him give me a poem, waiting for the answer, yes, it is streaming now. Okay, the loading thing is gone and it is ready for the next prompt. So how we test the reasoning output. So let me code for this. So I don't need this. Okay, this thing. So here goes to the web view, and for the front end, what is this? Oh, I see, chat. One more thing I have to adjust here. The default URL is API/chat. So as I am going to use this reasoning endpoint, so I have to tell this here explicitly. So it is API/reason reasoning. Okay. So and if I want to show a reasoning content here, so I have to this something like this. Can I do here m dot, there is m dot parts thing, parts dot map, sorry, map every message part is either a text UI part, reasoning UI part, or a tool invocation UI part. We don't use this tool invocation part today. we will only use this text UI part and reasoning UI part here. So let me code for this. We will for the sorry, I just need a scaffold. The title each for H3 so this is the user. S3 I will place it the is4 tag here. P dot type to print what is streaming here, and I will add a small border here. Div class border bg the background conditionally. Okay, if the p dot type p dot type should equal reasoning. If the p dot type is reasoning, then add this busy till to font light. Okay, sorry, I don't need this font. To black. I need a white font here. So if not, I don't need anything. So I think I am good to go. Okay, this quotation. I think I'm good to go like this. Class name, what's the issue? Okay, I have to add a key here. Reasoning. Okay, type, I will add this conditionally. P dot type reasoning, we'll add that thinking, otherwise I don't need this. H5. Okay, sorry, I just added an extra quotation, so I will show up the key here, and I will try to content. Okay, I just need to ensure that there will be no p dot type reasoning. If the p dot type is reasoning, then p dot reasoning, otherwise p dot content, it will throw a error, as we didn't tell the IDE to exclude the tool invocation part, so that the IDE is throwing this type error. So for now, property content doesn't exist on the UI part. Okay, sorry, this will be the text. Okay, now the error will be changed. The text UI part. Yeah, the thing it is reasoning dot text UI part, tool invocation UI part. So what do you don't type? Okay, invocation part. For now I am skipping this error. Yes, this error, type error is gone. So I think we will be able to see this now, this reasoning. Here is the UI. Let me refresh it. So if I say 2 plus 2 to what? I think there is an issue. So let me open this up in my browser and debug on it. Localhost. So what is happening here? Okay, reasoning is full of, oh sorry, I wrongly typed the endpoint, so I think it should work. So it should work now. 2 plus 2 to what? Okay, waiting for the answer. Okay, this is the thinking AI. Okay, there's a Rext. That seems pretty straightforward. Visualize it. Still thinking the reasoning part. Oh, that's the answer part. Okay, the sum of 2 and 2 is calculated as follows. This is the basic arithmetic operation where two quantities are combined. Okay, you already saw that how we can use the Vercel AI Sdk for reasoning models. See you on the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.